Hi everyone, Mixed Media Girl here. So we are back for the next mask series video. If you missed the earlier two that I did, I'll put the links in the description. But basically I got some more of these face form masks. Now these are meant to be more molds, like you're supposed to put paper mache or something on them and make masks, and that's fine. But I'm using them as clear plastic masks for this project. So what I did was I cut a little bit of the extra space on the side and then I glued it on here. The glue is not fully dry, but I think that's going to be okay. We are going for extremely Halloween themed. And I will be putting lights behind this. So I'm also going for a lot of transparency. So I'm using a couple glow-in-the-dark paints. The glow-in-the-dark paints tend to be a lot more transparent. This is the regular one, and it does actually glow green. And then I do have green glow-in-the-dark as well. So I'm going to put a bunch of that in there. Then I'm going to be using a fluorescent purple. Looks like a magenta, but it's technically fluorescent purple. A little bit of black. And then to increase the transparency here, I'm going to just put some plain floetrol, not mixed with anything in here. It looks white, but floetrol dries clear. All right, now we have some orange. And then I'm going to put the rest of this glow green. And that should be plenty. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and kind of do stripes across here. And I am okay with not fully covering the mask. But it'll probably be mostly covered. Okay. And I'm really counting on that transparency to come through here. All right, this already looks awesome. So go ahead and tilt it. That's gonna, because it's working around the mask, it's definitely gonna affect our pattern. And this is gonna be some of the coolest runoff. Make some glow-in-the-dark jewelry maybe, I'm not totally sure. I haven't really done a lot with runoff from glow-in-the-dark projects. Awesome. Okay, I'm pretty happy with that. Now at this stage I'm going to let this fully dry. I did not cover the entire mask, so there are absolutely spots that are just 100% clear, and this will dry actually a bit of a different color because that floetrol looks white, but it's going to dry clear. So that's going to affect the coloring of this. So we're going to let this completely dry and then come back for the next step. Okay, so this is fully dry. Now, I made a mistake, but I think it's okay, especially since there are no mistakes in art, right? Only happy accidents. So I actually painted this when the glue was not fully dry. So you can see around the edge there, it actually kind of cracked a bit. And that's where all that glue wasn't quite dry because I was so impatient to paint it. But even with that, I think it looks super awesome. I think that kind of adds to it a little bit, to be honest. And so what I did was I made, there's a lot of tape back here, but I made just a little slit on the back, added in some orange fairy lights, and voila. Let's go ahead. I haven't even looked at this in the dark yet. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. Okay, so that is super creepy, but awesome. And my daughter actually suggested that I paint the eyes. Let me know what you guys think. I'm a total wimp. So this is actually kind of scaring the crap out of me. So I'm going to turn the lights back on and then I'll finish off the video. Okay, I'm back. So I cannot have this hanging in my house in the dark. Long story short. But that was hilarious. All right. Let me know, guys, if you think that I should paint the eyes. I'm kind of leaning towards leaving them as is, but I don't know. Let me know what you think. I really hope you enjoyed this super creepy Halloween mask light painting. I enjoyed making it. It's a little too scary for my taste, but you know, that's okay. So, thanks for watching. I'll see you all next time.